Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool glow text effect on CapCut PC. So add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word galaxy. I'm also going to change the font. And then I'm just going to take on glow, and instead of selecting the usual one, select this one. Again, this is a pro feature, so I did say it in like the title. You can adjust the intensity and the range and even the color here if you'd like to, but I think I'm just going to like keep it like purple maybe. To move it from left to right, add a keyframe here, and then I'm just going to move it to the left first, and then here I am going to then move it to the right, and you'll have this really cool animation. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!